guys, welcome to Curly Fitness 1980 and welcome to another video. So today is a little bit different video than I normally would do on my channel, so it's gonna be story time. I want to start doing some story time videos for you guys. If you guys are interested in video time, my story time videos, let me know. Just give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, hit the notification box, and also comment below, just say story times, because I'm 38 years old. Well, not yet, 37 years old, going to be 38 in June. Yes, I'm Gemini, and I have a lot of story I can share with you guys, personal or just overall, whatever. So today's story time, and I want to talk to you guys about I actually was going into my fridge today, and I just realized that I still have my placenta capsule left. Let me see if I can zoom in. Let me spell my name, but yeah. So this little bottle here, it's about 22 months old because a girl turned 22 months. And actually, yeah, this was 4/6/16 and the girl was born 4/5. So this is about 22 months old as well. So, okay, so I'm not sure if there's a lot of YouTube video on this or not. But I know like there was a lot of like celebrities that swear by this, and I know, is it Chloe? No, not Chloe. Is it I can't keep up. But one of the Kardashians, she swear by this and everything. And I had a doula during my pregnancy, and oh my gosh, she's the best. And I have, you know, if you can and you have the opportunity to get yourself a doula to help you to go through that process, it's worth it. So I had a doula, and one of the things that they also do placenta. They also take the placenta, they can make it into a capsule, they can make it into smoothie, like where you can do your own smoothie. I didn't want to have to do with the smoothie. I hated it. So I mean, I never tasted, sorry, so I didn't want to do no smoothie because I know I wouldn't like the taste. So I agreed. So she talked to me about it. She's like, I think you should do it, it's so good for you. And then she's also a mom, and she's done it, and she said it helps her a lot. Now I was like, I'm not sure. So I did some research on this, and then I find out that people besides celebrities has been doing, you know, placenta capsule, placenta, whatever they want to do, for a very long time. And we are the only human is the only one that don't really eat their placenta, because animal, after giving birth, they eat it back, because that way they can get all the energy and everything again back to their body. So all the animals normally eat their placenta right after giving birth to So when she told me about it, I was like, I'm not sure. So finally, after I did some research again, and I decided to get it done. And let me tell you, after giving birth to the twins, I thought I was gonna be like, I need professional help. I really was this close. And then even when she bring this to me, after I pay for it, when you have a doula, they say they come home with you and they follow up with you the next 2-3 days to make sure everything is okay. So she came home the following day and bring this to me, and I left it in the fridge, and I didn't bother to take it for like weeks later. And then I was like, you know what, let me start taking this placenta. And guys, I'm not kidding you not, I really do think that these things has contributed to the way that my recovery was after giving birth to the twins. I was taking it here, so I was doing that, and I have seen a huge difference with my overall how I was feeling and everything dealing with the twins. And also my milk supply was full, like really full. So this really, the main thing also that helps with your milk supply, it helps bring all the energy back from, you know, from your body. And one of the main reasons why people take it is because it helps with postpartum depression. So and I was like, you know what, so now I don't know. And then the reason I still have this one left over, I had 3 bottles. When she bring them home to me, she's like, oh my god, you had so much placenta, and we had to make it into 3 bottles of capsules. So they ended up giving me 3 bottles, and I was taking every day. And this one for some reason was hitting all the way in the back, like in my fridge. I'd never seen it, and today I was like, oh my gosh. And I just thought it would be a good opportunity for me to talk to you guys about it. It doesn't taste bad at all. Now I don't know if you can still take it. I'm gonna text her and find out because it's been in the freezer for a long time. So let me show you how it looks like. This is it. Beautiful purple color. It doesn't smell bad at all. I wonder if I can take it. Let me show you guys. See? Yeah. So this was my placenta I was taking after giving birth to the twins, and I did that for like 2 months because, like I said, I had 3 bottles, and then this was half of it that was left, and I had to find out if I can still take it. So if you are pregnant and you're having all these questions, if you think, you know, talk to your doctor obviously and see what they say, do your research. But to me, I was okay taking it by my doctor, and also after talking to my doula, and they were amazing to advise me to take this because I have seen result with taking the placenta. Now I know it's a tricky subject. Some people might be like, ew, gross, but whatever. I just wanted to share my experience with them with you guys. And also the way that they do it, it's they take all the you know, germs out. They drain it, obviously, dry it, and where they make it into a powder so they can make it into the capsule. And also I had to fill a release form at the hospital to let my doula take it with her. So the way that she ended up taking it home with her, I had to bring like a small cooler, and then in the hospital they gave her the placenta, she put it in the cooler, and they put a lot of ice. They put a pack of ice in it so that way she can take it to the lab where they do their thing, and that was it. So if you're interested of doing that and you're curious about it, do your research. If you would ask me, I would say 100% because I did it. As you can see, I still have almost a full bottle left from the 3 of them because I had twins. So therefore I had 2 placenta because they're not identical. So I had 3 placenta. I mean 2 placenta instead of 1, so therefore I was able to have a lot of pills out of this. Now if you ask me how much, I can't even remember, but I know I would say for the 3 of them I pay about almost 300 for the 3 bottles. I'm not 100% sure. I mean, like I said, during my pregnancy a lot was going on in my mind. I don't remember exactly how much I paid for them, but if you wanna, if you're the type of person who's gonna have a doula and you want to get into it, I'm pretty sure you will find the price, and that's not a problem. But I wanted to share this story time with you guys. So if you guys like this video, again, give it a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe, join the family, and give the video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys on my next video. As always, guys, be you, be fit, be blessed, and let's have a blessed 2018. Please share my channel, help my channel grow, and this year at this time during the holiday I will be doing a lot of giveaways. So therefore I just want to see how much you guys love me and how much you guys are spreading the words for my channel. On that note, guys, let's just stay focused on your journey, stay focused on your weight loss goal. Whatever your goal is, stay focused for 2018. I promise you, if you believe in God, everything is possible. I'm trying this year to live by faith, walk by faith, because this is one of the things that I was lacking on 2017. I am a born again Christian, so therefore I had, you know, I forget to know what it's like. I tend to forget to put him first. So now I have to realize that he's on top of it all and I can't do anything without him. So with that being said, guys, I love you guys very much. Be blessed, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.